This version is not even released yet, but you are about to see it running. Refined, optimized, and made stable for daily use, faster than anything before it. This is the future of Windows performance. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus. Let's get started. Setting up Tiny1127H. 2 starts with one simple step. Get the creator from the official link in the pinned comment and open it. Press Build. From here, everything runs on its own. The creator downloads the required components and prepares your installer quietly in the background. You can keep using your PC while it completes. If you want a quicker option, use the ready-made installer from the official site. Both methods are fully supported. Use a valid Windows license. Only clean and legal installs are supported. Build time depends on your system and internet speed. When it finishes, the log will show "Build finished successfully." That confirms your installer is ready. Do not download Tiny11 from random sites. Those builds often carry malware or spyware that can compromise your system. Now install the system. Start with Xeno. Xeno lets you install Tiny1127H2 without creating a USB. Open Xeno. Select your installer. Choose the target drive. Make sure the drive is empty. It will be completely erased. Confirm and begin. Installation finishes quickly. Restart your PC. You should see Tiny11 in the boot menu. If it does not appear, add it manually using Easy BCD or Visual BCD. No external media needed. Prefer a USB install. Use Rufus. Plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB. Back up your data. It will be wiped. Open Rufus. Select the Tiny1127H2 installer. Choose your USB drive. Start. This takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, restart your PC. Open the boot menu using F12, F8, or Escape. Select the USB. Setup launches automatically. Go straight to drive selection. Pick carefully. The selected drive will be erased. Skip language for now. You can change it later. After installation, you land on a clean desktop. If you want similar gains without reinstalling, use Velotic. It transforms your current system into a Tiny11-style setup in minutes. Your PC decides your mood the moment you sit down. You open it to get things done. It drags, it stalls, it resists you. Velotic ends that. This is not another cleaner. This is control. You launch it once, and your system stops working against you. Everything responds. Games run clean. Apps open instantly. The lag you tolerated is gone, not for a day, every day. Velotic adapts to you. It reads what you're doing and tunes your CPU and GPU in real time. No manual tweaks, no risk, just consistent speed. It removes junk before it builds up. It shuts down hidden processes that steal performance. It does it quietly, without breaking Windows. You unlock over 500 tested optimizations. One click removes bloat. No confusion, no trial and error. You install apps instantly. No setup friction. Power shifts when you need it. Performance when you push. Stability when it matters. You recover massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay exactly where they belong. Your system finally has room to breathe. This is not a temporary boost. This is how professionals run machines they rely on every day. Built over 4 years. Trusted by thousands. Refined with every release. You install it once. You stop thinking about performance. Velotic. For people who refuse to tolerate slow. Now take it further by turning your Windows into Tiny11 or 10 in just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloater. Press play on Tiny11 or Tiny10. That is it. Your system transforms in one move. No file loss, no broken features, same setup, completely different performance. If you want the details, open the info section or use the guide in the description. You already know how your PC feels right now. This is what it should feel like instead. Now optimize performance. Open Configure. Go to Compression. Enable it. This cuts system size by up to 60%. You can disable it anytime. Once done, the system sits around 5 GB. Boot times drop. Apps open faster. RAM usage stays lower. This build is tuned for speed first without breaking stability. Now get online, open Configure. Go to Browsers. Pick your browser. I'm going with Brave for this build. You can use Chrome, Edge, Opera, or Firefox. Installation takes a few seconds. Once connected, open the Community section. Access both channels. Join the Discord server. Check upcoming builds and updates. You will also find the Velotic website there. Benchmark results for this build will be on the HT channel soon. Check the pinned comment. If you face crashes or memory issues, fix it quickly. Open Configure. Go to Paging Files, enable it. Restart your system. This solves most stability problems. Paging is off by default to keep things light. Turning it on adds extra memory headroom. Now install drivers. Drivers handle graphics, audio, network, and input devices. Open Configure. Go to System, click Install Drivers. Select what you need or use Install All. Drivers are important in most cases. They unlock full performance. Graphics, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and system controls depend on them. Once installed, the system runs smooth and stable. You will find the purchase link in the pinned comment. Tiny1127H2 is built for users who want the latest features with maximum speed. It stays responsive. It avoids unnecessary load. It delivers consistent performance. Free builds exist everywhere. Most are unreliable or unsafe. The difference is simple. You get a clean system that performs properly every day. Thanks for watching. This is Pidus, signing off.